How to use enter button to change line on ChatGPT. Want to break lines in ChatGPT without sending your message? Let's do it step by step. So by default, pressing enter sends your message instead of creating a new line. So hold the shift button and press on enter. This creates a new line inside the same message. Now, on some platforms, Control Enter also works for line breaks. If Shift does not work, try this out. Some apps let you change the enter key behavior in settings. So switch it to press enter for new line if available. And that is how to use the enter button to change lines in ChatGPT.